Hello guys, I'm back with my another tutorial video. Have you ever want something from your friend PC, that he is not giving you, like games, movies, important files etc.? Here I come with cool tricks. Just plug your USB flash drive into his PC to automatically copy his files to your pen drive, secretly and silently. So let us prepare such a sinister USB flash drive. Step 1. Open Notepad. I recommend Notepad++, and copy-paste the following lines. The icon line is optional. You can change the icon to your tastes or leave it to the default icon. It's useful for social engineering purposes, like enticing the user to click a file on the drive by making it looks like a game or something. The action equals command is optional too, but sometimes when the auto-run launches it may ask the user what to open. Depending on what you put here, the user will be instructed to click OK or run the file. This code acts as a backup just in case the user is asked what to open. This is not required if you are operating the computer. The shell open command also acts as a backup in case the user clicks cancel instead of open when prompted. This code will execute when the drive letter is clicked on. Save this as autorun.inf. Step 2. Open Notepad again and copy-paste the following lines. Save this as file.bat. This file is configured to copy the contents of the current user's pictures, favorites, and videos folder to the flash drive under a folder called all. This is the section of the code you will need to edit depending on what you want to copy. Step 3. Open Notepad once again and copy-paste the following line. This code runs the file.bat as a process, so it does not show the cmd prompt and everything the batch file is processing. Save this as invisible.vbs. Step 4. One last time and copy-paste the following line. This batch file does two things. It looks for the invisible.vbs file in the root of the flash drive, then loads it with file.bat, so file.bat is run with code from VBS file. Save this as launch.bat. Step 5. Copy all 4 files created in the above steps and put it on the root of the flash drive, including the icon file if needed. Also, create a folder named all where the contents are to be copied automatically. You can call this folder by any name, but then you need to reflect the changes you made in step 2. This is all that needs to be done. Test the flash drive on your own computer first before playing it out on your victim. It works flawlessly. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share and press the bell icon and never miss any update.